In the beginning there was one among us who rebelled at the plan of our Heavenly Father. He vowed to destroy and to disrupt the plan. He was prevented from having a mortal body and was cast out, limited forever from establishing a kingdom of his own. He became satanically jealous. He knows that this power of creation is not just an incident to the plan, but a key to it. He knows that if he can entice you to use this power prematurely, to use it too soon, or to misuse it in any way, you may well lose your opportunities for eternal progression. He is an actual being from the unseen world. He has great power. He will use it to persuade you to transgress those laws set up to protect the sacred power of creation. In former times he was too cunning to confront one with an open invitation to be immoral, but rather sneakingly and quietly he would tempt young and old alike to think loosely of these sacred powers of creation, to bring down to a vulgar or to a common level that which is sacred and beautiful. His tactics have changed now. He describes it as only an appetite to be satisfied. He teaches that there are no attendant responsibilities to the uses of this power. Pleasure, he will tell you, is its sole purpose. His devilish invitations are coined into jokes and written into the lyrics of songs. They are acted out on television and at theaters. They will stare at you now from most magazines. You grow up in a society where before you is the constant invitation to tamper with these sacred powers. I want to counsel you, and I want you to remember these words. Do not let anyone at all touch or handle your body, not anyone. Those who tell you otherwise proselyte you to share their guilt. We teach you to maintain your innocence. Turn away from any who would persuade you to experiment with these life-giving powers. The only righteous use of this sacred power is within the covenant of marriage. Never misuse these sacred powers. And now, I must tell you soberly and seriously that God has declared in unmistakable language that misery and sorrow will follow the violation of the laws of chastity.